Today is all about making a statement.
I don't even know where to start, but it means everything.
Oh, what it means we out to wear ETA jersey. It's a privilege, man.
It's a big honor. I enjoy being here.
And obviously today is our tie.
It's the constant strive for excellence.
It's all about family, brotherhood. It means pure hard work.
Look, fuck all you beg, you beg for the day.
Your whole damn feel, I'ma get laid. Alright.
Mooi man, dat is ons op je land.